Stardate 73365.5. Last night we completed the wiring for the Enterprise NCC Original Series build for the 1/350 scale model. I've also completed masking the neck of the saucer because I had to install the lights in the windows. I had no other choice so that I can do the seams. So I got the part prepped up, getting it ready for paint, and the masking seems to be working pretty well. I have the orbital Aztec masking kit, and this side I still need to do. And then I gotta work the seams, which is a very small seam. We should be okay covering that up. I almost forgot to mention the type of putty that I'm using to seal the seams. So I wanted to share with you so that those of you who are building this model can use the same stuff if you sure please to. So this is the putty that I'm using. It works great. It is water-based. You can apply with a brush, or you can apply directly off the bottle, and I love it. It works absolutely fantastic. Now that I shared that, let's get back to work. And we're back to work. This is the progress of the neck assembly with the Aztec masking applied. I'm just now removing the excess pieces, and I got one side started. Still gotta do this side, and it's coming along pretty well. Moving on to the next step. After applying the Aztec masking and doing the paint job on the neck, I decided to test the piece against the saucer section to see how it looks. Here's a close-up view of the neck assembly with the saucer section, and it looks pretty good. I'm not doing the seams between the saucer and the neck section because I want that to show there. I'm not feeling too confident that I could seal that without having to repaint the Aztec masking again. So I'm going with it the way it is. As you can see, I'm doing this in a modular fashion because I've already press fitted all of this stuff, and I can get away with doing the saucer and the neck assembly after I let the seams on the other part of the ship dry so that I can put this on and then continue wiring the top of the saucer. We'll be right back. Stardate 73454.7. The Enterprise is going the final stages of the assembly on this original series Polar Lights NCC 1701 build. All we have to do now is wait 24 hours for the glue to set, and we can continue on attaching the saucer section and doing the rest of the electrical assembly. As we continue to allow the glue to set, I've decided to start adding the putty and start blocking the seams, so that when the glue dries, the putty will be ready for sanding, and then we can go back to primer, paint, and final application of the Aztec masking so that we can continue on to the saucer section. We'll be right back. And we're back. The glue has dried, the seams are covered. All we have to do now is apply primer, let it dry, apply another coat of paint, and then do the final airbrush for the Aztec paint job. I've covered all the other parts that are pre-assembled. Got the seams ready to go, and the top part. We'll see how it goes. That about wraps it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.